This is Kai Cushenberry, Red Rock Certified Property Inspection, Manitou Springs, Colorado. I'm here at 102 Pikes Peak Avenue, Woodland Park, and we were unable to get into the lateral sewer cleanout in the crawl space. We are now on the south side of the house in the lawn, and we're going to go ahead and scope from the lateral cleanout, which is located in the yard underneath a cast iron lid. So let's go ahead and go inside of this. Taking a look at the joints here. Looks like we do have some low spots in the line. Looks like it's approximately half an inch deep here. That often is conducive to lines that have settling underground. So we've reached a portion of the line here. We have not only water settling, but it appears that the coupling or at the joints has come loose. You can see where the lateral pipe on the other side of this joint has come loose and is falling. I would suspect as a toilet is flushed and you have a large amount of water or liquid coming through the line, that this perhaps would be seeping into the ground at this point. We'll kind of get through that low spot there. Yeah, we do have, you can see not only here on the front side as we're coming in, we're heading in a southerly direction, but I'm going to step this back. There's water in the line, but you can also see where this same piece has come loose on the other side of the lateral pipe as well. So it appears that there are two places in the line there. That joint just appears to have some sediment. Yeah, there are several low places in this line where the line is sagging, and therefore we have some liquid buildup. And this is where this is going to go into the city sewer main right there, about 51 feet in. So we definitely don't want to go into that portion of the line. I'm going to go ahead and pull our sewer line out. We are going to sanitize the line as we bring this out for safety and health reasons. So we should be getting to where there was a what we're going to call a break in the line, or at least where the two areas have become detached. Right about there. And I'd kind of hope that as we pull this line out, we'd be able to see that better, but you can see at the very end where the line has become detached, as well as on this side also. We are definitely going to recommend that a licensed plumber take a look at this line, and I would suggest that the persons who either own the line or the buyers, I would definitely suggest that they adhere to the recommendations of the licensed plumber. We will not be able to get our camera as we back up. We won't be able to get our camera to head back towards the house, which would be more northern direction. It'd be about right here, but I doubt I can get our camera to head back in. Yeah, I wanted to take a look at that one more time. Yeah. So I originally put in a report that was about 19 feet in. It appears that it is about 22 or so feet from the sewer cleanout that is located in the side lawn. So let's go ahead and get our line out. I'm happy to come back out to the property when we're hoping that a sewer cleanout can be installed underneath the home in the crawl space. And I have mentioned to the buyers that I am willing to come out and re-camera the line if necessary. Let's go ahead and clean our camera up. And you can see we're back in our original clean out, which is in the lawn. So I'll go ahead and conclude this video. It will be necessary to contact a plumber in this circumstance. Thank you.